Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss something about wizards in Odoo. So in our hospital management module we have already created a wizard. Here you can see if you go to the create appointment menu, and once you click on the menu you will get a pop-up as return. So this we have created for the purpose of creating appointment from the wizard. So in this video we will see if you click on this get data button. So if I go to the backend and if I check the corresponding function, this is the simple button that we have added in the wizard to fetch the data from the database. So there is no special purpose, just to illustrate how to fetch the data from the database. You can see appointments equal to self.env hospital.appointment.search. So along with this create appointment wizard, I have just added a get data button here, which will fetch the data from the database and print it here inside the log. So in this video, once you click on this get data button, the wizard will automatically get closed. So if I again open that and if I again click on get data button, the wizard is getting closed. So what we will do in this video is that how we can prevent the closing of wizard. That is, we need the wizard even after clicking the get data button. So let's see how we can prevent the closing of the wizard. So for that, what you have to do is that the function of this button is get data is this, that is diff get data. So from here what we have to do to prevent the closing of that wizard is you have to return what you have to return is return type, and type should be ir.actions do nothing. So at the end of that function what I have done is return type ir.actions do nothing. So I'll just restart the service from here. Okay, so we have added return type ir.actions do nothing. So I go to the front end. Earlier when we have clicked the get data button, you have seen that the wizard is getting closed automatically. So let's see what happens now. If I click on get data button, you can see the wizard is not getting closed anymore. So if you need to close the wizard, you have to click on cancel, and if you click on here on clicking the get data, you can see the function is getting called. If I remove this, you can see the print will get coming. So I'll just click on get data, and if I check the log section, you can see the appointment name that is coming from here. So this is how you can prevent the closing of the wizard on clicking a button. So this is not a predefined actions. If you check the code, you won't see do nothing anywhere. So if I search that do anything anywhere, you will just see the one occurrence that is right inside your file only. So you can give the name here as you like. And so I have seen this solution from one of the solution in the Stack Overflow when I have searched for similar solutions. So do nothing means it will a standard name, you know, it's doing anything. You can just give any name here. If I give Odoo mates, okay, I have changed the type as ir.actions.odoo mates, and let's see what happens or whether we get any error message or not. So I'll just open the wizard once more, and I'll click on the get data button. I'll click on get data button. You can see there is no error and the wizard is not getting closed. So you can give the name accordingly. You can just give your own name itself, ir.actions xyz, or you can give anything, but better to keep a standard format or giving a name stands close with the context. So here if you check the look at the function, you can see ir.actions do nothing. When I have seen the solution in the Stack Overflow, I thought, yeah, that action might be type of that action might be there inside the Odoo. But when I have searched do nothing, I haven't seen any solution or I haven't seen any occurrence inside the Odoo code. So I had this doubt whether there is an existing function like that. So I have just changed the do nothing with my name, and seems that is also working. So that's a solution I have got from the Stack Overflow. So this is how you can keep the wizard not getting closed after a button click. So I'll just go to the here and I click on get data once more. You can see the wizard is not getting closed. So what happens if I remove these lines of the code? I'll just comment this code and I will just restart the service. Okay, then I'll click on get data again. I'll click on the get data. You can see the wizard has got closed. So that's all about this video. If you like our video, you can just click on the like button. Also you can subscribe the channel and you can refer the channel to your colleagues. Also just press the bell icon to get notified regarding our upcoming videos. So that's all about this video. Thank you.